Hello students, welcome to this lecture 1 Arithmetic Progression. In this lecture, we will discuss exercise 5.1. So let's get started. So in first question, here it's said to ask, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Okay, so in which of the following situations this list of numbers does the list of numbers involve make an arithmetic progression, and we also have given reason why. Okay, so in first question here it said to us the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. Okay, so does the list of numbers which will get from this information involve make an arithmetic progressions or not? Okay, so let us see. So it can be observed that taxi fare for first kilometer is 15 rupees. Okay, and taxi fare for first 2 kilometer, that is equal to 15 plus 8, and this is equal to 23. And taxi fare for first 3 kilometer, that is 23 plus 8, and this is equal to 31. Okay, and taxi fare for the first 4 kilometer, this is equal to 31 plus 8, and this is equal to 39. Okay, so clearly 15, 23, 31 and 39, these list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression because every term is 8 more than the preceding term. Okay, that means the successive terms of this list of numbers are obtained by adding 8 into its preceding terms. Okay, so this list of numbers will make an arithmetic progression. Okay, arithmetic progression. And now for second one. So we have second question. It said to us the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, so let us solve this problem. So basically we have to find the list of numbers, then we have to check the list of numbers will form an AP, okay, or not, and then yes, this is. So now let the initial volume of air in a cylinder be V. So here we let the initial value of air in a cylinder be V liter. In its stroke, the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. In other words, after every stroke, only 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4, the fourth part of the air will remain. Okay, so here we first let the initial volume of the air in a cylinder be V liter, and here we have given this information. In each stroke, the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. Okay, that means, in other words, after every stroke, only 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4th part of the air will remain. Okay, so therefore the volumes will be V, 3 by 4V, 3 by 4 whole square V, 3 by 4 whole cube times B, and dot dot dot. Okay, so clearly it can be observed that the adjacent terms of this series do not have the same difference between two consecutive terms. Okay, so therefore this list of numbers is not an arithmetic progression. Okay, so this list of numbers is not an arithmetic progression. Now let us see question number 3. So in question number 3, it's said to ask the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and the rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. Okay, so let us see how to solve it. So here cost of digging for first meter is equal to 150. Okay, and the cost of digging for the first 2 meters, this is equal to 150 plus 50, that is equal to 200 rupees. And cost of digging for first 3 meters, this is equal to 200 plus 50, this is equal to 250. Okay, and the cost of digging for first 4 meters, this is equal to 250 plus 50, that is equal to 300. So clearly here 150, 200, 250, 300 and dot 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 forms an arithmetic progression, because every term is 50 more than the preceding term. That means here the successive terms are obtained by adding 50 in each preceding terms. Okay, except first term. So this list of number is this list of numbers forms an AP. Okay, so now let us solve the third number. So here we solve third number. Okay, so now we'll move to fourth one. So the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8 per annum. Okay, now let us see question number 4. So in question number 4, it's said to us the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 rupees is deposited at compound interest at 8 per annum. Okay, so let us solve this problem. So here we know that if rupees P is deposited at our compound interest per annum for n years, then our money will be P times R plus 1 plus R by 100 to the power n after n years. Okay, after n years. Therefore, after every year, our money will be 10,000 times 1 plus 8 by 100. Then in second years, our money will be 10,000 times 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square. And in third year, our money will be 10,000 times 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 3. Okay, and dot dot dot. So clearly adjacent terms of this series do not have the same difference between them. Therefore, this is not an AP. For being an AP, the adjacent terms of this series should be same difference between them. Okay, but for this case, the adjacent terms of this series do not have the same difference between them. Okay, this is why this is not an AP. Okay, now let us move to question number 2. So here in this question, we have to write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Okay, so here we have given the values of A and D, and we need to find first 4 terms of this AP. So let us see number 1. So in number 1, we have given the first term A is 10 and the common difference D is 10 also. Okay, so let us see how to solve it. Okay, so we have given A is 10, D is 10. Okay, so let the series be A1, comma A2, comma A3, comma A4, comma A5, comma dot. So here the first term A1, this is equal to A and this is equal to 10. Okay, and the second term A2, this is equal to A1 plus D and this is equal to 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20, given D is equal to 10. Okay, and the third term A3, this is equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2D. Okay, first term plus 2D, or A2 plus D. Okay, so here the value of A2 is equal to 20. So the value of A3, this is equal to A2 plus D, that is equal to 20 plus 10, and this is equal to 30. Okay, and now the fourth term A4, this is equal to A3 plus D, and this is equal to 30 plus 10, and this is equal to 40. And the fifth term A5, this is equal to A4 plus D, and this is equal to 40 plus 10, and this is equal to 50. So therefore the list of numbers will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, dot. Okay, so this list of numbers, here the first four terms of this AP will be 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so the first four terms of this AP are 10, 20, 30, and 40. Now, let us see now question number 2. So in question number 2, we have given the value of A is equal to -2 and the value of D is equal to 0. Okay, so here the value of A is -2 and the value of D is equal to 0. Okay, so now let us see how to solve it. So here A is -2 and D is 0. Now let the series be A1, A2, A3, A4, dot. Okay, so the first term A1, it is given to us, that is equal to A, that is equal to -2. Okay, and the second term A2, this is equal to A1 plus D, and this is equal to -2 plus 0. Since here we have given the value of D is equal to 0. Okay, so A2 is equal to -2 plus 0, that is equal to -2. And the value of A3, this is equal to A2 plus D, and we get the value of A2 is -2. So the value of A3, this is equal to -2 plus 0, that is equal to -2. Okay, so here therefore the series will be -2, -2, -2, -2, dot. Okay, so first four terms of this AP will be -2, -2, -2, okay. Now let us see third number question. Okay, so now let us see the third number question. So in third one, we have given the value of A is equal to 4 and the value of D is equal to -3. In fourth one, we have given the value of A is -1 and value of D is equal to half. And the fifth one, we have given A is equal to -1.25 and D is equal to -0.25. Okay, so now let us see the solution. So in third one, we have A is equal to 4 and D is equal to -3. So let the series be A1, A2, A3, A4, dot. Okay, so in the first term A1, this is equal to A, this is equal to 4. Okay, that is given to us. Okay, now the second term A2, this is equal to first term A1 plus D. And here the first term A1 is equal to 4 and the common difference D, this is equal to -3. Okay, so A2 this is equal to A plus A2, A1 plus D, that is equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Okay, so the value of A1 is equal to 1. Now the value of A3, that is equal to A2 plus D, and the value of A2 is equal to 1 and the common difference D is equal to -3. So A3 this is equal to A2 plus D, that is equal to 1 minus 3, that is equal to -2. Okay, and now A4, this is equal to A4 plus A3 plus D, and we get the value of A3, that is equal to -2, and we have given the common difference D is equal to -3. Okay, so the value of A4, this is equal to -2 minus 3, that is equal to -5. Okay, so therefore the series will be 4, 1, -2, -5, dot. Okay, so first four terms of this AP will be 4, 1, -2 and -5. Okay, so now let us see fourth one. So in fourth question, we have given the value of A is equal to -1 and the value of D is equal to 1/2. Okay, so here we let the series be A1, A2, A3, A4, dot. Okay, so in the first term a1, this is equal to a, this is equal to minus 1. And the second term a2, this is equal to a1 plus d, and this is equal to minus 1 plus half, that is equal to minus half. Okay, and the third term a3, this is equal to a2 plus d, and here the value of a2 is a2 is equal to minus half. Okay, then minus half plus half, that is equal to 0. And now a4, this is equal to a3 plus d, and here the value of a3 is equal to 0, and the common difference d is equal to half. So a4, this is equal to 0 plus half, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so clearly the series will be minus 1, comma minus 1 by 2, comma 0, comma 1 by 2. So first 4 terms of this AP will be minus 1, comma minus 1 by 2, comma 0, and 1 by 2. Okay, now let us move to question number 5. So in question number 5, we have given the value of A is equal to minus 1.25 and the D is equal to minus 0.25. So here let the series be A1, A2, A3, A4, dot, dot. Okay, so the first term A1, this is equal to A and this is equal to minus 1.25. And the second term A2, this is equal to A1 plus D and this is equal to minus 1.25 minus 0.25, that is equal to minus 1.50. Okay, and the third term A3, this is equal to A2 plus D. Okay, and this is equal to minus 1.50 minus 0.25 and this is equal to minus 1.75. Okay, so now A4, this is equal to A3 plus D, that is equal to minus 1.75, that is minus 0.25, that is equal to minus 2.00. So clearly the series will be 1.25 minus 1.50 minus 1.75 and minus 2.00. Okay, so clearly the first four terms of this AP will be minus 1.25, comma minus 1.50, comma minus 1.75 and minus 2.00. Okay, so these are first terms of this AP. Now let us move to question number 3. Okay, so in this question it said to us, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Okay, so here for this AP, for the following APs, here we have to write the first term and the common difference. Okay, so in first one we have 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, dot, dot, dot. Okay, and in second one we have minus 5, minus 1, minus 1, 3, 7, dot, dot, dot. And in third one we have 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3, dot, dot, dot. Okay, and in fourth one we have 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, dot, dot. Okay, so for the following APs, we have to write the first term and the common difference. Okay, so you easily find the first term of this following APs. That is the first term, that is here 3, minus 5, 1 by 3, 0.6. Okay, now now we have to find the common difference of this following APs. Okay, so let us see how to solve it. So in first one, we have given this series 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, dot, dot. So here the first term A is equal to 3. Okay, and the common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. So second term is 1 and the first term is 3. Okay, so the second term minus first term, that is equal to 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. Okay, so for this AP, the first term A is equal to 3 and the common difference D is equal to minus 2. Okay, so now let us move to question number 2. So in question number 2, we have given this AP minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, dot, dot, dot. Okay, so the first term A is equal to minus 5. Okay, and the common difference D, this is equal to second term minus first term, that is equal to minus 1 minus of minus 5, that is equal to minus 1 plus 5, and this is equal to 4. Okay, so for this AP, the first term A is equal to minus 5 and the common difference is equal to 4. Now, let us move to question number 3. So, in question number 3, we have given this AP 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3, dot. Okay, so here the first term A is equal to 1 by 3 and now the common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. Okay, and here the second term is 5 by 3 and the first term is 1 by 3. So this is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. That is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, so the common difference is equal to 4 by 3. Now let us move to question number 4. So in question number 4, we have given 0.6, 1 by 7, 2.8, 3.9 and dot. Okay, so here the first term A is equal to 0.6 and the common difference D, this is equal to second term minus first term. And for this list of numbers, the second term is here 1.7 and the first term is equal to 0.6. Okay, so 1.7 minus 0.6, that is equal to 1.1. So the common difference D is equal to 1.1 and the first term is 0.6. Now let us move to question number 4. So in this question, here which of the following are APs, that you have to check first, and if they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Okay, so for this question, we have to first check which of the following are APs, and then if they form an AP, then find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Okay, so here in first one, we have given this list of numbers 2, 4, 8, 16, dot. Okay, so here you can see, so here 2, 4, 8, 16, dot. So it can be observed that A2 minus A1, this is equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Okay, and A3 minus A2, this is equal to 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. And A4 minus A3, this is equal to 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. Okay, so that is AK plus 1 minus AK is not the same every time. Okay, they are not same every time. Therefore, the given numbers are not forming an arithmetic progression. Okay, now let us see question number 2. So in question number 2, we have given this list of numbers 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, dot. Okay, so let us see how to solve it. So it can be observed that A2 minus A, this is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. And A3 minus A2, this is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, and A4 minus A3, this is equal to 7 by 2 minus 3, that is equal to also 1 by 2. That is AK plus 1 minus AK is same every time. Okay, so therefore D is equal to half and the given numbers in AP. And 3 more terms are A5 is equal to 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 4. And A6, that is equal to 4 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 9 by 2. And A7, that is equal to 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 5. Okay, now let us see next problem. Now let us see next one. So in next one, we have given minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and dot. Okay, so we have to check first. So here it can be observed that A2 minus A1, this is equal to minus 3.2 minus 1.2, that is equal to minus 2. Okay, and A3 minus A2, this is equal to minus 5.2 minus 3 minus 3.2, that is equal to minus 2 also. Okay, and A4 minus A3, this is equal to minus 7.2 minus 5.2, that is equal to minus 2. That is AK plus 1 minus AK is same every time. Therefore, D is equal to minus 2. That is the common difference. D is equal to minus 2. So the given numbers are in AP. Okay. So now 3 more terms are A5. This is equal to minus 7.2 minus 2. That is equal to minus 9.2. And A6 is equal to minus 9.2 minus minus 2 that is equal to minus 11.2. Okay, and A7 this is equal to minus 11.2 minus 2 that is equal to 13 minus 13.2. Okay, now let us see question number 4. So in question number 4 we have given minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, dot dot dot. Okay, so let us solve this problem. So here it can be observed that A2 minus A1 this is equal to minus 6 minus of minus 10 that is equal to 4. A3 minus A2 this is equal to minus 2 minus of minus 6 that is equal to 4. A4 minus A3 this is equal to 2 minus of minus 2 that is equal to 4. So that is AK plus 1 minus AK is same every time. Therefore, the common difference D is equal to 4. The common difference D is equal to 4. So the given numbers are in AP and 3 more terms are A5 is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and A6 is equal to 6 plus 4 that is equal to 10. A7 that is equal to 10 plus 4 that is equal to 14. Okay. Now let us solve next one. So next one we have given this list of number 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 times root 2, 3 plus 3 times root 2 and dot dot dot. Okay. So it can be observed that A2 minus A1 this is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3 that is equal to root 2 and A3 minus A2 this is equal to 3 plus 2 times root 2 minus 3 that is equal to 3 minus 3 minus root 2 that is equal to root 2. Okay, and A4 minus A3 that is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 times root 2 that is equal to also root 2. That is AK plus 1 minus AK is same every time. Therefore, the common difference D is equal to root 2. Okay, so the given numbers are in AP and 3 more terms are A5 is equal to 3 plus 3 times root 2 plus root 2 that is equal to 3 plus 4 times root 2. And A6 this is equal to A3 plus 4 times root 2 plus root 2 that is equal to 3 plus 5 times root 2. And A7 this is equal to 3 plus 5 times root 2 plus root 2 this is equal to 3 plus 6 times root 2. Okay. Now let us solve next one. So in next one we have given this list of number 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.222 dot dot dot. So it can be observed that A2 minus A1 this is equal to 0.22 minus 0.2 that is equal to 0.02 and A3 minus A2 this is equal to 0.222 minus 0.22 this is equal to 0.002. Okay, and A4 minus A3 this is equal to 0.222 minus 0.222 is equal to 0.0002. That is AK plus 1 minus AK is not the same every time. Therefore, the given list of numbers are not an AP. Okay. Now, let us see next one. So next one we have given 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, dot dot dot. So it can be observed that A2 minus A1 this is equal to minus 4 minus 0 this is equal to minus 4 and A3 minus A2 this is equal to minus 8 minus of minus 4 that is equal to minus 4. A4 minus A3 this is equal to minus 12 minus of minus 8 this is equal to minus 4. Okay, so that is AK plus 1 minus AK is same every time. So therefore the common difference D is equal to minus 4. Okay, so the given numbers are in AP. So I stop here this lecture. Thank you very much to all of you.